Good afternoon, everyone. Today we will be presenting our lesson plan for the grade 4 science. Our topic will be absorbent materials. The specific objective of this lesson is with the use of real life materials, pupils will understand the concept of absorbent materials. They will be able to list at least two materials found in their homes that are absorbent, and they will also conduct an experiment to test how well different materials absorb liquids, demonstrating at least 90% accuracy. Through this lesson, students will gain hands on experience by exploring everyday materials such as cloth, sponge, and paper towel. They'll compare their absorbency and discuss which ones are more effective. The aim is to make the learning process interactive, practical, and connect to their daily lives while reinforcing observation and critical thinking. Now I hand you over to my next colleague.
So, hi pupils, how are you doing today? I hope you all are doing fine. So, today we are going to look at a new concept. Do you have sponge or cotton wools at home? Yes, you do. Okay, have you ever soaked it in some water? When you soak the sponge in water, what happens? Yes, John. Very good. It absorbs waters. So, do you know what materials are called when they absorb water? You don't? Okay, well, today we are going to look at absorbent materials. Say that for me. Absorbent materials. And absorbent materials are materials that have tiny holes and can soak up liquids. Now, think of some things that has tiny hole and could soak up water. I'm listening. Yes, Paul. Sponge. Uh-huh. Cotton wool. Very good. Cloth. Yes. What about tissue or toilet paper? When you soak it in water, can it soak up water? Very good. So some examples of absorbent materials are paper towels, sponge, cloths. Yes. Now I want you to form your groups. Very good. So now you're going to tell me about something in your home that can absorb water or that can absorb liquid. Or listen to this. When mommy spill drink, right? Let's say mommy spills some drink on the floor and she uses a sponge to wipe up the drink. What you think would happen? Very good. The sponge will absorb all the liquid. Yes. Now let's say mommy wants to clean the nail polish from her toes, right? Do you know that she can soak the cotton wool into the liquid? Yes, when she soaks that, what happens? It absorbs the liquid and then she can clean her toes. Very good. So I am going to place you into your different groups. I need all the group 1 to come in front. All the group 2, you go at the back. And the group 3, you sit where you're sitting. So group 1, we're going to do an experiment today, right? I'm going to give you some materials like paper towels, sponge, cloth, and some measuring cups, right? You're going to design and conduct an experiment to test the observancy of each material. So you're going to put some water into the measuring cups and you're going to put these materials into the water, and you're going to see which one observe water and which one does not. Remember, we're looking at observant materials. Now, group 2, you're going to do a research for Miss, right? I'm going to give you a little video to look at, and you're going to look at this video, and you will tell me what observant material is, and you will also tell me some examples of observant materials, right? Good.
I have a piece of cloth, I have a piece of cotton tissue, and I have a piece of sponge. And I also have three cups of water. This experiment, we're going to see how water absorbs these materials.
First, the paper.
First, we have this.
Yes.
This is cloth.
Right, the cloth.
So you see, the cloth goes straight down. Then we have the tissue. When the tissue goes down, it absorbs the water. And it goes like straight down. Then we have the sponge. It floats at the top.
Group 3 activity based on creative writing. First, create 4 fun sentences about a character who uses observant materials. Differentiated instructions for struggling learners with a provided aid and step-by-step guidance. Teacher would help with measuring water or reading for pupils to simplify a experiment. For advanced learners, encourage pupils to design a more complex experiment or research project. For example, testing other materials like cotton, newspaper, or tissue. Research how diapers or cleaning cloths are made. We use materials and resources such as paper towels, sponges, cloth, water, measuring cups, text and online resources about observant materials, writing materials such as paper, pencil, and markers. During and after the lesson was taught, we observe pupils' participation during group activity. We review pupils' worksheet and writing for understanding. We ask questions like, why do you think this material soaked more? Where have you seen this material used? We listen to pupils' responses and make any corrections if needed.
Receptive language skills. Listening. Pupils will listen to the teacher's instructions and peer discussions. Reading. Pupils will read texts and online resources about observant materials. Productive language skills. Speaking. Pupils will participate in group discussions and share their feelings. Writing. Pupils will write a short story or poem and record their experiment results. Conclusion. 1. Have each group share their feelings. 2. Ask pupils to reflect on what they learned about observant materials. 3. Discuss real-life applications or observant materials. Assessment. Pupils' worksheets and writings, experiment results and presentations, participation in class discussions. This lesson plan incorporates both receptive listening and reading and productive speaking and writing language skills, allowing pupils to develop their language abilities while learning about observant materials.